today we are cleaning something that I've been putting off for a very long time and that you might be forgetting to clean yourself. Today we're tackling my coffee maker, which is a Nespresso machine. So if you've never cleaned your Nespresso machine, this is exactly how you can do it. All right, welcome to my coffee station. I got this jar, which I love. It used to be full. I got so many Nespressos for Christmas and we calculated it and it was supposed to last me 6 months. And I finished them really early. So I love it because you can just see everything you have. But I just wanted to talk about these fake Nespressos for a second because they are a different material. And I thought that, oh, Nespresso is just a money grab or like it doesn't taste any different. But these actually clog your coffee maker, which is the #1 reason why I decided to film this video, because I found that my Nespresso isn't working properly. So I'll show you exactly what these do. Here is your before shot of how gunky this actually is. In here, I always forget to rinse this out when I'm done, so there's some like sour oat milk I've got to deal with. You can see it's not very shiny. We're gonna have to clean this because I see that there is like green mold growing in there, algae growing in there. And then the actual machine itself could use a lot of work. So you can see this is super gunky. And these are full. And then in here is where I was talking about. So if I put a piece of paper towel right in there, you will find that the little pokey things that are actually to poke in so that you can brew your coffee, they are all clogged up with coffee grounds, and the metal bit from those fake Nespressos actually got stuck on top of here, and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, but that is why. Let's just get right into it and start taking apart all the pieces that need some work. So we're going to take the whole machine apart.
Just about get ready to go order from 20 times Direction you're from, please right turn off to departure. About Crystal 36,000 feet. Put a lot of headwind.
So that is everything. I'm so happy that the coffee maker is clean and I can enjoy my coffee now. But I hope that helped you with an at-home descaler method and clean. Don't forget that you can buy the descaler pods with your next coffee order for an espresso, and that's really nice and simple. But if you are trying this at-home method, try to avoid things like vinegar and make sure you're using citric acid. You can buy that in a bottle itself, or you can just use lemon juice, and it's gonna be the 20% lemon juice and 80% water. So nice and simple. Make sure you rinse through with water afterwards and then enjoy your coffee. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Cheers!